Hi, I'm Mikey Foxon, and today I'm going to be showing you my bike in my bike check video. Okay, we'll start at the back with my Odyssey Pluto tyres that go up to 100 psi. Quando back hub, hopefully getting a free coaster. I've got a Harrow peg, pretty shocking, but I've only just started grinding. DCC hub guard goes over my chain, stops it from snapping. Got some colony pedals there. I like them, but the bearings are pretty shocking in them. Got vocal screech pads here, nice and good. Screech a lot, stop my room from getting scratched. Salt brake mounting. Mutiny cockpit seat with my Mutiny Glamorids. Savage & Co pivotal seat post with a Mongoose clamp, seat clamp. Really don't like Mongoose that much anymore, as my last one broke on me. Blank bottom bracket, Spanish size, bit annoying, but you know. Premium products, crank, white, need it spraying, but I like it that way. Vocal brake cable. Stolen money grips. Fit Bike Co bar ends. Savage & Co stem with my seat post. I like the hollow, looks pretty sick. Blank headset bearings with my blank fork bolt, which goes with my blank select forks, which go onto my Salt Pitch World tyre. Quando hub with my front rim, not quite sure what my front and back rim is. G-Sport hub guards and a Mongoose peg. As I said, I got Glamorids, pretty sick. I like Mutiny quite a lot. I've got a Amity Cam Hardy Road Signature, pretty sweet bike. I think it's a 25-inch. Don't know what the angles on it are. Got a Amity sprocket in black, nice and lightweight. Not had it for very long. But yeah, it's pretty light, sound as hell. So yeah, there's my bike check. Hope you like it.